Hello Internet, thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. We are using IntelliJ IDE. We're building a text editor and called Tetragrammaton. And we're going to do the save file function. The last one, it was a basic save. We got it to save. This time we're going to do the proper way to save a file using the FileChooser. And we are also going to use our terminal to do a get checkout branch and then push it to the remote repository. So get checkout branch, we're going to call it save function. Okay, switch to the new branch. So all the work that we do now on this file is not going to mess up the original code. Okay, so that's how we get stuff to the new code base without making changes that are going to ruin the already working code. Does that make sense? Okay, so the first thing we're going to need here is a file chooser. JavaFX stage, we're going to call it chooser, and we're going to set it equal to new file chooser. Next thing we need is to define the data. We're going to do this. We're going to do input space dot text. There it is. Next thing we're going to do is define a file. We're going to do chooser show save dialog. This one is going to be Java fx.stage.window get resource, and the name of this is main.java. The reason we need this line is because the file is going to open up on top of the already stage scene. What stage is that? So window get resource main, and here this main one has a primary stage already that it's using. So this will open on top of that, this file chooser. Okay. Now we can do an if statement to say if data does not equal null. Okay. We're going to do file dot text. We'll set it equal to a blank file, and then we're going to do file. Left shift to add all data. Okay, whoops, that's my wife. Just a minute. Okay, sorry about that. When the wife calls, you've got to answer. Okay, so this is going to work. It's going to create a file chooser. We have data, input space, text, file is going to choose or save dialog for the window, get resource main.java. If it is not null, we'll go ahead and set it equal to blank, a blank file, and then add the data over it. Okay, and that will set the path and everything where we want to save it at. To there. So now what I want to do is say get add well, let's do a get status here and see what's changed. Modified DS source diagram controller main editor. All three of them are changed. So let's go ahead and do a get add all. Okay, get commit. I'll do a flag. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. Message. And that message is going to be save function with file chooser. Okay, now they're committed. We're going to do a get. Oh no, I got to go get checkout branch origin. Oh, maybe it's get checkout master. Okay, we're on master. Now we're going to do get merge. Whoops. Control Z to go back. So here, down here, we're going to do clear for a second. We're going to get merge, save function. Most similar command. Oh, I said merger. We got to make sure you spell it right. Okay, get merge, save function. There it is. We merged them. Clear. We'll do get. Status, unworking branch, get push, origin, master. It'll ask us for our username, Tetra Pro. Oops. It says authentication failed, invalid username and password. So we'll just go up, hit it again. Okay, there it is. Now if I go back over to our program here, we should see some, our Git repository, we should see some updates. And there it is. So questions, comments, concerns, leave them below, and we'll be moving forward in the next tutorial. Thanks a lot.